your history teacher from Arjun Progressive School. So let's begin the first chapter in history in grade 9, and the title of the chapter is The French Revolution. This chapter is very interesting. To begin with the module, I would like to share the introduction and the theme of the module.
At first we will discuss few word meanings and then introduction of chapter by locating France in the world map. Thereafter the division of society during late 18th century, a very sparking event in the form of video, that is the storming of Bastille, and the causes of storming of Bastille we are going to enjoy in this module. First word is livre, which is the unit of currency in the France at that time, which was discontinued in 1794. Next word is feudal, a social system that existed during the Middle Age in Europe, and in this system people were given land and protection by the noblemen and had to work and fight for them in return. Tethys is also a type of tax levied by the churches and comprising of 1/10 part of their agricultural production. Telly is also another form of tax which is to be directly paid to the state.
So children, here is a map, or we can say world's map in front of you. When we are reading the history of any country in the world, we should know what is the exact location of that country in the world's map. So as we know, the title is the French Revolution. So we are going to cover in this chapter the France. And France is a European country. The exact location is here. And in front of France is Portugal, then neighboring country is Spain, then here is Germany, and this is Italy. So all these are its neighboring country. And see, the India is located here in Asian continent. So these are the countries which we should remember while reading the history of world. Now before going to understand what was the reason behind French Revolution, we should know all those reasons which were the main causes. Starting from the social reason, administrative reason, political reason and economic reason, one by one we will cover in this module. So let's begin with the social reason, which was the greatest cause behind the French Revolution. Let us see how society in the France was divided, which was the main reason behind the French Revolution. So, topic is society in France during 18th century. This we can understand with the help of pyramid. The topmost was kept as priority, and then second and third. Before that, children, if you remember, we might have observed in our ancient history, in Indian history, that we people and our society was also divided into different groups like upper caste, lower caste and middle class. And all these people were being discriminated or being treated on the basis of their division. Same was there in the case of, in the history of France during 18th century, the society was divided into 3 groups or states. And at the top were the first state people, which were called as clergies, where we can find the members like bishops and priests. Now, in the bottom of first state were the members named as or titled as second state, which were called as nobles. And under noble comes kings and queens. Also some rich society people that were called as aristocrats, like rich merchants, rich landlords, all were the part of aristocrat society. Now at the bottom were the third state people, under which all the common people of the France used to come. In this common people, the members were, especially the more majority was of farmers or peasants teachers, doctors, lawyers, artists, professors, philosophers, etc. So these were the member of third estate people. Now let us see the population strength of all these three states. Here hardly in the first estate the population was 1.2 approx, and here the population was 2.3 approx, and here most and the majority of the population was 97.6 around. In spite of being highest populated state, these third estate people were always suppressed by the first two state people, and they used to rule upon them. And the main criteria of their ruling or the suppression was the taking of taxes. It means we can say the whole burden of paying of taxes was on the heads or the shoulders of common people. And always they were angry about it, and they were not satisfied with the system of paying of taxes. There were two more practices under which these two were being discriminated or treated badly or exploited. These were the serfdom and the feudal system. Feudal system is a system under which these third estate people, they used to pay taxes to the first two state in different way. One was the direct tax, another was the indirect tax. And these feudal taxes or the dues were the charges which their landlord used to apply upon them when they used their land. Then comes the serfdom system, which were being badly faced by the third estate people, and they were always against of that, under which we can say serfdom is a kind of practice where these poor farmers or peasants, they used to stay in rich landlords' land, and they used to work in their land and used to serve their land in the form of servant or slaves. That's why that serfdom was being practiced by first two states, which was highly hated by the third estate people. Now, the matter of anger rises, which was the main reason behind the French Revolution, that these third estate people were overburdened with the taxes. So the matter of anger or the reason behind the French Revolution due to the society division, number one was overburden or overpaying of taxes. And these the first two state people were state 1 and state 2 people were exempted from paying taxes. Exempted from paying taxes. So this was the great matter of anger among third estate people. Now, third estate people also were not in the favor of ruling of first two state people or dynastic ruling or despotic ruling of the aristocrat society. So the time came gradually when they associated together and raised their voice against their monarchies. So here we know the common people, there were the intellectuals like teachers, doctors, lawyers and engineers. These people, they developed the feeling of nationalism among the people and they awake the people for their rights and discuss and talk about the idea of liberty and fraternity, but along with the idea of democratic nation. So this we will gradually cover. Before that we should know only this reason was that overpaying of taxes and the first two states which were being enjoying the privileges and not being paying the taxes, that was the matter of anger. So as we know that third estate people were against the ruling of monarchies in France. So they wanted to end up monarchy system in France and want to bring democratic ruling or the ruling of the common people in in the France. Now how does this begin? It starts from the sparking event which is known as the storming of Bastille. So children, here Bastille is a palace in France, that is in Paris, and which was the symbol of despotic ruling. That palace was the symbol of despotic ruling. And what is despotic ruling? Despotic ruling is the ruling of kings and queens in a very harsh manner, or we can say the cruel ruling of king and queen is called as despotic ruling. So we all know the king of France was King Louis XVI. King Louis XVI was the king of France. Now another matter comes that King Louis XVI, who belongs to Bourbon family, was not a successful ruler which was being absorbed by the common people. That's why they were not satisfied with his ruling. And as a result, they opposed his ruling and wanted to enter this diarchy system. Now let us see another reason behind the anger towards the King Louis XVI. On 4th July 1789, the common people, they heard a rumor in their city that King Louis XVI is going to increase the tax amount, which again became the matter of great anger among the common people. They became anger after knowing that King Louis XVI is going to increase the tax, because already third estate people are overburdened with the paying of taxes. So after hearing this rumor, this third estate people, they associated and assembled, and they decided now this is too much and now we are going to march and end up this despotic ruling. For that, they presented their anger and marched towards the Bastille in the evening of 4th July 1789. After hearing that huge crowd of men and women which was approaching towards the Bastille Palace, the guards of Bastille, they started firing upon them. And as a result, the huge war took place and the complete Bastille Palace was being destructed by these third estate people in their anger. And later on, the third estate people, they sailed out or sold out all the broken bricks or the fragments of the Bastille Palace in an auction, so that their generation come to know that how much strength they have, and they have right to fight against the exploitation which was being done by the kings and which was being done by the aristocratic society. It means after hearing the announcement of King Louis XVI that he is going to increase the tax amount, they became angry, and to present their anger, they completely destructed the Bastille place. And now this was the main event or the sparking event which we should remember, that it was the event which began for the French Revolution. That is, the storming of Bastille was the sparking event in the history of France, which was the beginning of the French Revolution, which was associated by the third estate people. Now let us understand the background of King Louis XVI.
In year 1774, King Louis XVI of the Bourbon family became the king of the France. He was 20 years old and got married to the Austrian princess Maria Antoinette. Upon his occasion when he became the king, the treasure of France was empty. This was due to the long year participation of the war, which drained the financial resources of the France. Added to this, the maintenance of extravagant court, that is, the Palace of Versailles, was immense. Under King Louis XVI, France helped 13 colonies to get their independence from the common enemy, Britain. The war added more than $1 billion to the debt that had already risen more than $2 billion. As a result, the state who lended money to the France started increasing the tax amount. The church too extracted its share of tax called tithes from the peasants. And finally, all the members of third estate had to pay tax to the states. These includes the direct tax called tallies and a number of direct taxes which were levied an article of everyday consumption like salt and tobacco. The burden of financial activity of the state through taxes was borne by third estate alone, which angered the common people. Apart from this, King Louis XVI lavished money on himself and residents like Versailles. Queen Maria Antoinette was seen as wasteful spender. Government found its fund less or depleted. As a result of war, including the funding of government, spending more money than its take in form tax revenue. Privileged classes would not submit to being taxed.
Now let us cover what were the causes or the reason behind the storming of Bastille on 4th July 1789 in France. So children, one of the reasons already we have covered that the increase in tax amount for common people by King Louis XVI. Another reason that time period when King decided that he is going to increase the tax amount, the main reason behind increasing the tax amount was that the treasure of France or king was empty that time. Again, a big question comes from this topic that why when King Louis XVI was being assigned as a king of France, the treasure was empty. Children, this is very important question and always being asked in the exam from this chapter. So let us know the reason behind this treasure, why it was empty. So we know that France was continuously participating in the wars for last 7 years. Since from 1789, it was participating in the war to make and increase its territorial area and to get more and more colonies. So that participation in the war put a great impact upon its economic status and which made the treasure of king empty. That's why to overcome from the situation or cope up from this situation of bad economic condition, King Louis XVI decided to increase the tax amount for common people.
14 July 1789. Over 7,000 citizens of France stormed into the Bastille in the Paris. After killing all the soldiers, they dragged the governor of the Bastille through the street and beat him up. His head was placed on the pike and buried through the city, and the revolution had begun. The French Revolution, starting with the storming of Bastille and ending with the death of Maximilien Robespierre. It spanned over 5 years. It tells the story how people decided to take their own destiny into their hands, rebel against feudal authority, and creation of new republic was the idea. During this struggle, many died. To understand what brought about the revolution, we need to go back to the time. In year 1774, King Louis XVI was assigned as a king of France when he was only of 20 years old. He was from the Bourbon family. He had no idea how to manage the kingdom. King Louis XVI got married with the Princess of Austria named Maria Antoinette. They both started living their life in luxuries and entertainment. Hardly King Louis XVI could pay attention towards the welfare of the people. This made people dissatisfied, and people became against of him and started thinking that he is not a successful ruler or a strong ruler. On the other hand, when he was being appointed as a ruler, that time France was continuously participating in the war. It was almost for 7 years France was engaged in the war. Due to that, its treasure became empty, and France came under the debt over 3 billion livres. To overcome from that debt and to maintain the treasure, King Louis XVI decided to increase the tax amount for the common people. And this matter was only the matter of anger in front of the third estate people or the common people. As we have seen, the society in the France was divided into 3 states. The first estate consists of clergy, second estate consists of nobility, and the third estate consists of the majority of the population, that is, common people. Among them were the merchant, officials, peasants, artists, and servants. Among all these divisions, first 2 state people were exempted from paying taxes, whereas third estate people used to pay the complete tax amount to the first 2 states. This division of paying of taxes was also one of the matter which was the reason behind the French Revolution, because third estate people do not want to pay the tax amount as it was decided. In this way, third estate people wanted to end up monarchy in France.
So that's all in this module, dear children. Remaining topic we are going to cover in the upcoming module of the chapter. Till then, stay happy, stay safe.
Now it's time to do few questionnaires. First question is, the third estate comprises of, options are poor servant and peasants, landless laborers. Next option is peasant and artisan. Then is big businessman, merchant, lawyers, etc. or all of above. Next question is, what was State General? Options are post of Army General, a political body, head of all landed property, or advisor of king. Last question is, in context to France, the fall of Bastille took place on 14th July 1789, 20th July 1789, 4th August 1979 or 5th May 1789. Answer all these questions in comment. Thank you for watching.